There's a little 2-minute video for you guys and gals. I guess you know I have a new plaything. It's a DJI Mini 2 drone. And I've taken this thing out in the morning. And this is a short 2-minute video of the different sunrises that I have taken. And I put them together in a little montage, about 2 minutes. And they're really, really neat. I have so much fun with this drone. As you can see, all these sunrises are different. Some of them have some fog in them. Some of them have a lot of color to it. I really enjoy doing this. I've also have the Vegas Pro 18 video editor, and I'm using some of the transitions with that. So, with that being said, enjoy this little video. It was a lot of fun putting together. And if you wanted to go ahead and give me some comments in the comments section. So we'll be doing some car shows pretty soon. But this is something that another little hobby that I have. You guys and gals take it easy. Enjoy this, and we'll be seeing you next time. Thanks very much for watching.